Hello everyone, it's Cryptoco. Welcome back. There is a coin pumping for no reason called Edge Coin Definitive, available on only 2-3 exchanges like on Coinbase, Kraken, and another exchanges Gate.io. Okay, the coin is based on a base ecosystem, and it is just pumping upside, up and up. And I'm just going to talk about this in a detail. Before starting, make sure subscribe and turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates. And if someone want to join me on a week's exchange for the copy trading, then there is a link in the comment section. Let's start here. $118 million is a market cap, and this coin was at almost 20 to $30 million market cap, almost pumped 200 300% in a very short time period, and still it seems like we want to go upside more. $40 million is a volume today, and the question is how high this coin could go. And we are just going to do a chart analysis on a bigger frame. The coin is look at the 1 day frame. The coin is extremely overbought, so it's obviously a very much risky to get enter into this coin. But I think the way it is pumping, it could pump more. Like we can hit almost $1. We can easily double from here because this coin is following the footstep of a Zora, and seems like someone is deliberately pumping and pushing this coin to hit at the highest level. So what is going to be the highest level for this coin, guys? Currently, look at the market cap here. I'm just going to show you $118 million. Zora, first time when Zora pumped toward almost $200 million. Look at the Zora. Where is the Zora? Zora is at 309. But first time when it pumped toward the highest level, that was $200 million. And then we have a major correction on a Zora. Okay. So what about the edge? We can also expect the similar kind of a move because I think there's a lot of similarities among these two coin, and I think same whale are pushing and pumping edge coin, those who pump Azora coin. Okay, so now we will go to the chart is not telling us anything because the chart is blind and we are in the price discovery mode. Okay, so fundamentally, according to the market cap, if we hit a $200 million, so it would be almost from here to here. Like we can hit a $1 easily, another 80%, and we can hit 1.1 or $1. Okay, but how we can trade and how we can make a money on this, we will go to the hourly frame because the bigger frame are not telling us anything. We'll go to the 2 hour frame and look at the structure of this. Like on 2 hour, we are trading above the moving average 25, and the price is just pumping something like this here above the moving average 25, and it is holding as an important trend line, and we are just pumping upside. So we can again wick downside toward the 53 or something. So whenever the dip come, you can just enter into this coin like at 51 or something, like 10%, 50% down, and then you can take a position and wait for the next upside, like next leg up toward the new high, because the coin is making higher lows continuously, and you can just take almost from here to here a 50% or almost 30 to 50% you can take on this. So don't be greedy on this because we are already at the highest level, but you can take the advantage on it. So currently $1 is a very realistic target fundamentally on the definitive coin, but nobody knows what's running in their mind, what they are planning, what they are going to do. But we can just do observation, we can just detect their pattern, that how they play and how they perform. So according to that, we can expect another 30 to 40% move upside, because on a bigger frame there's a no top signal forming, but a little bit correction downside toward the 51 or 48 region would be very healthy and very decent great entry for the definitive coin to ride upside for the another 20 to 30% on spot only. Okay, so here was my thought and analysis about the edge coin. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything. Thank you and bye.